Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make the wow effect in Canva. So it will be a pop-out effect. So let's start with it. So I will be choosing Instagram post portrait format, which is different from the Instagram post square format because the dimensions are 1080 cross 1350 pixels. Okay, so I will click on create blank. Okay, so all the things which I'll be using are all available in Canva, and you don't need to upload or use any type of third-party image or website to design this. So let's start with it. So I'll click on elements here. Okay, just scroll down till we find frames. Okay, click on see all and let's go to letters. Okay, now let's click W, make it smaller because we want the image to fit in here, the wow. Then O, then W again. So as you can see, they are all equally distant. Now let's change the background here. Let's change the background to this cobalt blue. Okay, now click on Ctrl A and then just using the mouse, let's make it in the middle. Okay, so as you can see, it is in the middle. Now we will bring the image or use the image. So for that we will search here wow female. So I will go to photos here and I will use this image. Okay, so as you can see, it is free with Canva Pro, and if you are using a free account, then you must upload a image which is free to use. But if you are having a pro account, you can use it for free, and all the effects and elements which I will be using in this tutorial. So I will be using this image. So I will bring on the first W, and by double clicking it, let's make it bigger. Okay, so like this. Okay, now we'll use the scale here and just put one on the upside, next on the downside. Okay, so it will be easy for us to know what the scaling needs to be done for the next frames. So next we will bring again to the O and we will follow the same format. Okay, now let's zoom in to understand that the image is rightly placed or not. So this one is rightly placed. Let's go to the third one. Again do the same. Make it to the same size. And now let's place it here. So the third placing is also done. Now we will bring it again and just unzoom it. Make it of the same size. So if you are moving, you will find that many a times it is possible that it comes on one of the frames. So make sure you are holding onto control and then moving it. Okay, so this is slightly bigger from the sides. So for that we will be using background remover, which is another pro tool. So we will use the old editor, because I personally like the background remover for the old editor better, because if some restraints are there, we'll easily erase it. So we'll click on revert to the old editor, click it again, go to edit image, and this time you will find the old editor BG remover. We are clicking it again. So as you can see, the image is perfectly removed. Now we will just crop it out till the image is required, like the main character is required till here. So I will crop out till here and click on apply. Wait till the saving is done. Now we will click on this more section here and click on layer, then show layers. Okay, now we'll use this image and drag it down till the last W. We'll keep it just above the background layer. Okay, so this is done. Now click on Ctrl A and holding on Shift, just unselect this image. Okay, now we'll go to border style here. We'll click this one, second one, and we'll do this bordering here. Okay, so this one looks good, 14, and we'll do corner rounding. Okay, so 39 looks good, and we'll change the color for the border to be white. Okay, so as you can see, it's done, but we'll now do a simple change, which is again we will go to the elements here, and we'll go to shapes and click on this circle. Okay, so let's zoom in, and now let's make it smaller, because we require just the inner portion to get covered. Okay, so let's make it smaller. And just make it slightly bigger. Okay, now we will change this one's color to the background color to make a hollow effect. Okay, so as you can see, the hollow effect is done. Let's just crop out a bit here. So this looks perfect. Now as you can see, some more parts of the lady's jeans is showing here. To cover that, we will just use some elements. Let's remove the scales here, and we will go to elements again, and this time we will type clouds and use the first image which is showing here in graphics and use it right here. Let's make it smaller and place it right here, holding on to control. Do this because again you can find the same problem, which is the image might come to the frames of W and O. So let's duplicate it, and now holding on to control, let's move it to cover the jeans part. And you are also in this way you are also creating a floating effect here. Okay, so this is the effect. As you can see, it is done and it is ready to go. So hope you like this tutorial, and let's meet for another tutorial on the same channel. Thank you.